Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to cancel Meta Verified on Instagram. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram account. And then you want to click onto your profile, bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then from here, you want to click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner. And then scroll down and click onto Meta Verified. I don't currently have Meta Verified on this account, but to cancel it, tap on the Meta Verified profile from here and then simply cancel the benefits. But if you got Meta Verified through the Play Store, just simply click onto the Play Store, click onto your profile, and then scroll down where it says payments and subscriptions. Click on subscriptions. And then Meta Verified subscription will be here. Just simply tap on it and click on cancel. So that's two ways how to cancel the Meta Verified. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.